Hey guys, today's video is somewhat special, and since Valentine's Day is almost approaching, I just decided to share an idea with you, and I hope that you are going to like it. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can grow the English IV in a complete unique way, and believe me, you can do it very easily. I really hope that you would be able to do it and give it as a gift to your loved one, and I am 100% sure that she or he is going to love it. So let's begin the procedure. Here you can see I have collected two English ivy plants, and please note that these are the variegated English ivy. Next, I am just going to grow them in a 6-inch of plastic container. This is a white container, and you can also see that I already made one drainage hole on the bottom. So please make sure that your pot has at least one drainage hole. Next, I am going to keep one broken pieces of the clay pot on the drainage hole and then going to fill the pot. But before that, let me show you the potting soil mix that I am going to use. For the potting soil mix, I am taking 30% of normal garden soil, 25% of vermicompost, 25% of coco peat, and rest 20% of perlite. So this is the heart shape that I did yesterday night, and you really don't have to worry because I am going to show you exactly how you can do this. So the things that we need are, number one, steelware. I am just going to show you from the close so that you can take a look how much thick it is. Next, we need again steelware. This is not that thick like the other one. One PVC pipe. You can use any object, even you can use a steel rod as well if you like. Next, cocoa coir fiber, and then finally a steel wire cutter. I am just going to show you all the steps, and like I said already, it's really very easy and you can just follow me. Next I am going to keep the heart shape in the middle and going to fill the soil. I hope that heart shape is going to stay in the center. As you can see, it's not it's not staying properly in the center, so definitely I should provide some kind of support. To provide the support, I am just taking 2 wooden pieces and going to tie it just right here. Okay, I tied nicely and let's see whether it's going to move here and there or not. As you can see, it's not going to move too much here and there, and after adding the soil, it's going to stay directly in the center. So next I am just going to fill the container once again, and you can just follow me. As you can see, it's looking good and it's also staying properly in the center. Next I am just going to repot the both plants, both English ivy plants in this container. Next I am just going to use some white thread and then going to tie the English ivy vines. Almost everything is done and it's time to water. Okay, this is the result after 15 days and you can see that both of the vines are looking good. I am also getting the new growth just right here. So I know that both plants are really very happy. So guys, this is all about how you can grow the English ivy in a complete unique way, and I really hope you found the video useful. I wish I had many more days recordings like I do for most of my videos, let's say after 50 days or even 60 days or even 90 days, but I am just uploading the videos since Valentine's Day is really very near. If you like the idea, please don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and many thanks for doing that. Thank you once again for taking your time to watch the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great day and enjoy.